Okay, what do we have to eat, ladies and gentlemen?
Ham, salami, turkey.
And bologna.
Wow.
Okay, take care of it. Doing it just to know how well yet.
What's that?
I said I'm doing it.
It's my favorite.
Is it?
Daddy, but I also like turkey.
I personally did not. I got in the sale. No. Not
But he
good.
did the Kool-Aid. He did the Kool-Aid.
Did the Kool-Aid.
He tested the Kool-Aid. He did the Kool-Aid.
Give you all the glory in Jesus' name.
I do have one request. We could start off to the right here. I'd like children first, please.
Turn around and do this.
Okay, let's go over to the, we go to the dance floor. It's the dance floor.
Well, this is a small dance floor.
No, that's really a big one. We're giants. Pretend you're a giant.
Mommy's playing. I'm working on that. I'm a windmill. Oh, wait. Yeah. Hold on, Ann.
All
Am
right.
I doing it right? That's basically how it goes.
Okay, give me some moves. Give me some moves.
So it was good. I got it.
We always do. Everybody see. I'll text you. Okay, yeah, let me know. Okay. Maybe I'll see you down there. Yes, we did. It was good. It was good.
Hold on, I'm working on it.
This tail on this meat coat is 25 feet. Rings on every finger. Candelabra on the piano.